What's going on, Scooter Dude fans? So what I got before you today is my new 2023 Kymco AK 550i. Just going to show you a quick little view of it. It does have a keyless operation for added convenience. Put that right here. And so as long as it's within a couple feet from the bike, it does have actual access as a keyless system to operate it. It does have LED lighting, both front and rear. Let's see if I can get that up for you for a minute. And so you might not be able to see it well. Especially from here. Does have that little clicking noise with it. So, it does come with a Bosch braking system with Brembo calipers on the front. It's got dual brakes. And on the rear it has a single one. It does have 15-inch rims on both the front and the rear. It does have a 3-stage heated grip. So just by turning on the ignition here, press and hold this button for a few seconds, you see the indicator comes on up here. It's got 3 levels, level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Just by pressing this button right here, got heated grips. There is an indicator right here that lights up. So, maybe some of you wonder about storage. You want to know about the storage on it? Surprisingly, it's a full face helmet underneath here. Sedici. Got it underneath the seat. And so it does lock it. So it has a 3 digital instrument panel. This one you have your odometer over here, your trip meter. Shows you your tire pressure both front and rear. There is a different attributes that it has. Then you can switch over to the middle screen here. It has what's called a Nudo system that comes with Kymco. And so you can change this dash. You can change your picture right there. It has different options for you. If I let him go long enough, it'll show the weather right here. I don't think it's connected to my phone right now. And it also has a navigation built into it. And then on the far right over here, it shows your speed, oil pressure, how much fuel you have, and so different things. It also comes with emergency signal flashers. You have adjustable hand grips here, both on your right and on your left. You can adjust them to how much pressure you want. Turn it down this way. You got your gasoline. It's got different features here with the keyless system here. You can fully lock the steering wheel, turn it all the way to your right, and pressing it down, and now it's locked. You can't, steal it. Got a couple compartments here. This one has a connection to keep the battery charged up overnight or what have you. Got another compartment on this side. I drilled a hole up here to run the wire through to connect to my phone. Got an excellent sounding exhaust. I'm not going to start it up now, but what's nice about it, it is a dual exhaust. The bike is rated to get up to 110 miles per hour out the door. I've at least gotten it up to about 80. And so there you go. As I said, the 2023 Kymco AK 550i. The 2023 model is available in two different colors. You got your matte metallic and this color itself, deep blue. So it's got a 550.4 cc cubic centimeter engine. It's got 53 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. The claimed torque. So it comes with this shock that I don't have the name of it right off the top, but it is a single shock, and it works admirably. You do have the foot pegs here on the side. You check your oil from this position right here. It does have this belt that is driven from back here. That's, from what I understand, similar to motorcycles. Let's see, what else you have up front here? Let's see. You had the flashers where you can change the mode if it's oncoming traffic and you want to flash your lights at them from high beam to low beam. You can do that. You also have a brake control here if you're parked on hills or whatever. If you don't want the bike to move, you can put the parking brake on. The mirrors also fold. So if you're parked in a parking lot and you don't want people to bump your mirrors, you got that for added protection. Or like me, who has different accessories, they also fold in, but I don't want to hit what I have there. But yeah, they do fold in. Yeah, but I don't want to damage that. Also, there is a slot to put mirrors in here if you'd like. The windshield is adjustable. This is in the high position. There's a lower position here. You have your lower footrest and your upper footrest for touring. You also have an adjustable seat rest here. That's just a lever you push right here. And you can slide that seat forward or backwards about an inch. It does come in handy. You have the grips for the rear passenger. So it's a very well built bike. It's sturdy. It's safe. It's good quality. It's fast. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Kymco backs their product for 2 years. It's got anti-lock brakes on it. Brembo. Again, you got dual brakes on the front. One very important thing to mention about this bike is that it does come with its own traction control. And so there is a mode button here that you can press, and when you do, it's going to change this blue indicator here. If you can see it, might be a little tough to see right now, but it changes it from blue to an amber color, which is they call it rain mode. So it goes from rain mode to sport mode, and it is a traction control where it does slow the engine down some and gives it the ability to have the right traction for the environment that you're in. So that is one of the big features of this bike. And there you go. So hopefully you can see. I do have 532 miles on it. So you might even be able to see on this screen. $532 miles. There might be a point where it stops flashing, I'm not sure. And it's also on the dash here. And I know that that's showing my belt. Let's see if I can switch it over. Yeah, so the odometer actually has 532 miles on it. You see ODO. Anyway, I don't want to discharge my battery. So just showing you that I'm getting close to that first oil change of 600 miles. Deuces. This is your boy Scooter Dude. I appreciate y'all joining me here. Give me y'all a little idea what the Kymco AK 550i is all about, 2023. This one is in a deep blue. This is your boy Scooter Dude. Appreciate y'all. Remember, deuces and keep your wheels down. Thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all out on a ride soon. Peace.